Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to Kraken. And now once you're logged into your Kraken dashboard, just come at the top right, click here on Buy Crypto, okay? And then just select your asset that you would like to buy. So choose USDT, right? And enter the amount, say 100 euros. And then what you want to do here, you'll see Add Payment Method. Okay, so you tap here and then you tap on Add a Payment Card, right? And then you add your card. You just enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and your billing address. If it's the same one, keep it. Otherwise, you change it and hit continue, and it will be saved. It's really that easy. You can go ahead and use this to buy your crypto, right? Anytime. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.